Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Renee from RJ Clinic. Today I'll be talking to you about Ultherapy and also the difference between HIFU and Ultherapy. But before we get into the main topic, let me just discuss about some basic science with you so that you can understand better. Collagen and elastin fibers are essential proteins in our body that supports and also gives structure to our skin. As we age, we lose collagen and also elastin fibers. And this causes problems like looseness of skin and sagginess. Now, of course, aging is a normal process. We cannot reverse our age, but at least we can change how we look and we can look younger. Thankfully, we have a new technology which is called Ultherapy, or even more lately, the Ultherapy Prime, that can help to lift our skin without doing any surgery. So it is good for people who are not fit for surgery or people who are not ready for a surgical facelift. Ultherapy Prime is a non-invasive treatment that can give lifting effect. Although it cannot produce dramatic effects like a surgical facelift, but it is good enough and can give noticeable results over time. So, how does it work? Let's look at the science behind it. Basically, Ultherapy uses converging ultrasound waves with high energy to focus on targeted tissue. The energy is delivered precise and consistent. So when the ultrasound energy is absorbed and go through the tissue, it can cause mechanical vibration, and this vibration leads to friction of tissue molecules. The friction causes heat up to temperature of 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. So studies shows that at this temperature, the collagen will denature and subsequently forms more new collagen over time, resulting in lifting and tightening of the skin. You are partially right. HIFU and Ultherapy both use high-intensity focused ultrasound, also known as HIFU. But when you compare these two, I will pick Ultherapy Prime anytime. Why? For lifting and tightening, we target 3 different layers. The dermis, which is the deeper skin, fat layer, and also the SMAS layer, which is the superficial muscular aponeurotic system. The dermal layer is where the collagen and the elastin fibers will primarily be located. Targeting this layer is crucial to achieve optimal results. The fat and the SMAS layer also contribute to the structure and support of the skin. Stimulating these different layers can further enhance the lifting and tightening effects of Ultherapy Prime. According to the guidelines, it says that 4.5 is to target the SMAS layer, 3.0 is to target the fat layer, whereas 1.5 mm is to target the dermal layer. But everybody is built different, right? So for example, some people, their SMAS layer are shallower than 4.5 mm, especially if you are thin. So if you shoot a random 4.5 mm layer into their skin, it will be way too deep. You will probably end up hitting the bone instead. So this is one of the key points why we prefer Ultherapy Prime over HIFU in RJ Clinic, because Ultherapy Prime or Ultherapy, you can see the image guidance, and hence we know where we are shooting under the skin. There's a screen for us to visualize the real-time ultrasound image of the layers of the tissue where we are treating. When we place the transducer on your skin, we will know exactly where we are delivering the energy to give the results. On the other hand, HIFU, unlike Ultherapy, has no deep sea technology to show the real-time images during the treatment itself. The energy will be shot blindly, and there will be possibility of delivering the energy in the wrong layers of the skin, hence increasing the risk without maximizing collagen building. Also, we know that Ultherapy can heat tissue up to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, right? But in HIFU, sometimes the energy delivered may be too high or too low. When the energy is too high, it will cause burns, complications. Or when it's too low, you don't get to see any results at all. So there is lack of consistency in result. Obviously now, Ultherapy Prime is the winner because of its consistency and accuracy of the treatment. Ultherapy has little to no downtime. Usually it's just like more of a little redness that lasts for a few hours. There won't be immediate lifting effect because collagen takes time to be produced, so you will see gradual improvement over 3 months to 6 months time. And the result can last for up to 1.5 years, depending on how good you take care of your skin and also your lifestyle. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Now don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe us. Click on the bell notifications. You can receive notifications for our next video. Bye!